Hello everyone, my name is Levi and I will share to you my journey and travel and now I'm here in Australia. So everyone, happy Easter and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I will talk about tips para iwas offload in Philippine immigration this 2024. So let's go. Unang tips para iwas offload. Isang tanong, isang sagot. Kasi ito yung dahilan ba't ang passenger napapasa sa second interview. Kasi kada tanong ng immigration officer, ang daming sinasagot. So what you should do, isang tanong ng immigration officer, isang sagot. So ibig sabihin nun, wag mo nang damihan yung sagot mo. Isa lang. For example, where are you going? You would say, I will go to Australia. What you will do there? Sabihin mo, to visit. Wag na yung etc. kasi pag madami na yung isasagot mo, lalo madami na yung tanong nila. So much better, one question, one answer. Pangalawang tanong para iwas offload in Philippine Immigration 2024. Be confident. Relax ka lang. Kahit karap mo yung Philippine Immigration Officer, ipakita mo na kaya mo. Kahit first time mo, especially your first time, normal talaga yung kinakabahan, di ba? Pero pag mas lalo kinakabahan ka, natataranta ka, nalilimutan mo yung mga detalye na sasabihin mo, and yung mga memorize mong mga details. So you need to be confident before you will enter in Philippine immigration. Inhale, exhale, 'di ba? Para iwas offload. So be confident always, no matter what happen. Pangatlong tips para iwas offload this 2024. Dapat kompleto yung documents mo. Bago ka lumipad o bago ka sumugal, nakaharap mo yung mga Philippine Immigration Officer. Kasi hindi mo alam kung anong hahanapin sa'yo. So much better, complete documents, diba? Para iwas offload. Alam mo, mahirap na pag ma-offload, diba? Kasi yung ticket mo, yung return ticket mo, sobrang mahal. Sayang yung effort, sayang yung ginastos. So much better, kunin mo lahat ng documents or requirements na kailangan ng Philippine Immigration. Lalo na ngayong taon, 2024, marami na silang hinahanap. Like AUS is very important, especially your sponsor or you're just visitor, you're holding a tourist visa, right? So, kailangan importante talaga complete documents. Even you have a travel history or even your first time, even you travel already in different countries, you need to still complete documents, right? Para iwas offload. Kasi kada ibang terminal 1, 2, 3, iba-iba ang mag-entertain, iba-iba ang Philippine Immigration Officer. So much better complete documents para iwas offload. Pang-apat na tips para iwas offload this 2024. Dapat 4 hours before your flight, 3 hours before your flight, or 5 hours, dapat maaga. Kasi para iwas offload. Kasi di mo alam kung maraming tao, maraming passenger sa airport. So you need to be early. That's very important. Diba? Especially your first time. Kasi pagdating sa airport, especially your tourist visa holder, may babayaran na tax doon. Tapos hindi mo alam magkano o ano, mataas ang linya. So hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin na, can I go first because my flight is very soon. So hindi, kailangan mong maglinya. Diba? So you need to be early. So, wala namang mawawala pag maaga ka pumunta sa airport, di ba? Kahit, so, agahan mo. Yung flight mo, 6 p.m., mga hapon, nandun ka na. Kahit 1:00, 2:00 ng hapon, pumunta ka na. Para ready ka na, di ba? So, much better, pumunta ka ng airport maaga. Very early so that iwas offload. Pang-5 tips para iwas offload. Bago yung flight mo or even before yung nag-process ka pa ng visa and yung nasa bahay ka pa lang, give time to pray. Humingi ka ng tulong sa Diyos. Magdasal ka kasi number 1 yan na siya ang tutulong sa iyo para hindi ka ma-offload. Right? Yan din yung ginawa ko. Magdasal ka. Ipanalangin mo sa Kanya na, Lord, sana hindi ako ma-offload. Gabayan mo ako. Sana ito na yung time na para sa akin. Ibigay mo sana yung future na to para sa akin. Yung opportunity na to. And sabihin mo, dream, this is my dream. Sana, Lord, matupad. So, kasi, isa si Lord ang tutulong at mag-guide sa future mo, right? At isa pa, may kasabihan na there is no to rush. What is meant for you will always arrive on time. Right? Kung para talaga sa'yo yan, para talaga sa'yo yan. So everyone, that's it for today's video. And sana may natutunan kayo sa tips na binigay ko, sa 5 tips na binigay ko para iwas offload this Philippine Immigration 2024. So, thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe so that you're updated to my next video about travel and visas. So, that's it. Bye. Happy Easter.